Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm finna go over our test real quick because all test papers should be turned in already. So I'm gonna go quickly. Not doing a lot of explanation, but I'm gonna be moving through the problems quickly. So you can check your paper once you get it back. Here we go. Problem number 1 is 6 equals x over 4 plus 2. So here we go. First, I gotta get rid of addition, so I'm gonna subtract 2 on both sides of the equal sign. That crosses out, leaves us with 4 is equal to x divided by 4. Next, I gotta get rid of this division, which I'm gonna multiply. So I'll multiply by 4, multiply by 4. That becomes a 1. That leaves us with 1x is equal to 16. Don't need the 1. Right. Number 2. We got 0 is equal to 4 plus x divided by 5. First thing I'm gonna do is subtract 4 on both sides. That's gone, leaves us with negative 4 is equal to a positive x divided by 5. I don't need the plus. I gotta get rid of division, so I'm gonna multiply by 5. I'm gonna multiply by 5. I'm left with negative 20 is equal to 1x. Don't need the 1. Number 3. Number 3 problem is negative 9x plus 1 equals negative 80. So first I'm gonna subtract 1 on both sides. That's gonna leave us with negative 9x. That becomes 0. It's equal to negative 81. Then I'm gonna divide both sides by negative 9. Leaves us with 1x is equal to 9. Don't need the 1. Bang. Number 4. Number 4 problem is negative 15 is equal to negative 4x plus 5. I'm gonna subtract 5 on both sides. That's gonna leave us with negative 20 is equal to negative 4x. That became 0. Then I'm gonna divide both sides by negative 4. Notice how I keep my paper nice and neat. That leaves us with 5 is equal to 1x. Don't need the 1. Number 5. Number 5 is 3x plus 5 equals 17. I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides. That's going to leave us with 3x. That becomes 0. It's equal to 12. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Leaves us with 1x is equal to 4. Don't need the 1. Number 6. 31 is equal to 8n plus 7. First thing I'm gonna do is subtract 7 on both sides. That's gonna leave us with, can't count. What is that? 24 is equal to 8n, and that becomes 0. Next, I'm gonna divide both sides by 8. That's gonna leave us with 3 is equal to, that's 1 n. Don't need the 1. Check those real quick. Cool. Next problems. Next problem is number 7. Number 7 is 9x minus 7 equals 7. So I'm gonna add 7 on both sides. That's gonna leave us with 9x. That becomes 0. It's equal to 14. Divide both sides by 9. Leaves us with 1x. It's equal to 14 over 9. I forgot what that was. It was like 1 point something. One of y'all told me it was like 1 point, I don't know, what is that? 9 goes in there 1 time. This was 5. Times are going to 50, 6, 7, 6, 5. Somewhere up in there. Cool, don't need the 1. Number 8. Number 8 is -4 is equal to x divided by 20 minus 5. I'm going to add 5 on both sides. That's going to leave us with 1 is equal to x divided by 20. That becomes 0. Then we'll multiply both sides by 20. That across will become 1. Leaves us with 1x is equal to 20. Don't need the 1. Still moving. Number 9. Number 9 says -6 is equal to x divided by 2 minus 10. I'm gonna add 10 on both sides. That's gonna leave us with 4 is equal to x divided by 2, and that becomes 0. I'm gonna multiply both sides by 2. That's gonna give us 1x is equal to 8. Don't need the 1. Number 10. Number 10 is -9x minus 13 equals -103. I'm going to add 13 on both sides. That's going to leave me with -9x. That becomes 0. Is equal to 90. Then I'm going to divide both sides by -9. That's going to leave me with 1x is equal to -10. I don't need the 1. Number 11. See if I can fit these last 3 up here. Number 11 is 8n plus 7 equals 31. I'm gonna subtract 7 on both sides. That's gonna leave us with 8n. 0 is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 8. That leaves us with 1n is equal to 3. Knock that off. And then number 12. Problem number 12 is 5 plus 3x equals 17. I'm gonna subtract 5 on both sides. You gotta treat that like it's a plus in front of it. Bang, that's gonna leave us with a positive 3x is equal to 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3. We're left with x is equal to 4. And our last problem is 31 is equal to, it's really the same as number 11. I just rewrote it. It's equal to 7 plus 8n. Subtract 7 on both sides. That's going to leave us with 24 is equal to 8n. Divide both sides by 8. I'm left with 3 is equal to 1n. Take the 1 off. And that was your test. And that was number 13, just so we know. Good luck. Hopefully you can check your test, see where you went right, see where you went wrong. See you on the next video.